Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Firstly, you need to access settings, then scroll down and choose apps over here. After that, you need to click on permissions and then permissions one more time. Now pick one of your device's features like location and select one of the apps, like Amazon's shopping. Now select one of those options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, as you can see, Amazon shopping just gained access to my device location, but you can always just tap on one of your apps and select see all Amazon shopping permissions. After that, you can manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!